We becoming alone, right? Why is it that when you speak, no one truly listens? Not because they don't care. No, it's worse. It's because your words never touched their mind, never sunk into their soul. They heard you, sure, but they didn't feel you. And that's where most fail. They talk, but they don't know how to create an experience so visceral, it bypasses logic and buries itself in memory. Think back to every time you've spoken your heart, poured out your ideas, or shared your thoughts. And yet, nothing changed. Conversations that die mid-air, eyes that drift, responses that never come. It's not just frustrating, it's devastating. But what if I told you, you've been doing it all wrong? People don't listen to words, they listen to meaning. And the cruel twist? They don't even know they're doing it. Every sound you make, every pause, every glance, weaves an invisible thread between you and them. When done right, it's hypnotic. When done wrong, it's forgettable. Humans don't process words, they process feelings. It's not your vocabulary, your accent, or even your volume that matters. It's the unspoken messages hidden beneath. A shift in your tone can feel like a blade. A well-placed silence can scream louder than words. The more you try to make people listen, the less they care. Influence isn't forced, it's felt. And the way you make them feel is by showing them a mirror of their own desires, fears, and secrets. The most powerful words are the ones you don't say. You don't need to explain everything. Let them fill the silence with their imagination. When you leave gaps, their mind works overtime to bridge the void. And what's imagined is always more compelling than what's explained. The art of making people feel without knowing why. Speak with intent, speak with silence, and watch as the world leans in.